Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Test number 3. Lightning. It's only 7 o'clock in the afternoon. It should be bright. It just started coming down. Here's the volts coming in from one panel. 21.61. Down here in another meter, it's saying we're getting 13.50. I just seen a flash of lightning. I don't know why this meter is reading this volt. But when you see the lightning, you can see the voltmeter goes up. Yeehaw, Mother Nature. Leave your comments, guys. So, what are we studying here? Why am I keep putting these videos out? There's lightning. There's a spike. There's your spike. Keep spiking up. There's lightning again, just happened. Spikes up. Spiking up. This is lightning. So, one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was the rain. What's going on with the rain right now? Is it because it's below the action above the clouds? There's something to be talking about, which is, I always thought that when the cloud came over the ground, there's a good lightning. We should see a rise up to 7.5, 1360. I always felt that the cloud going by changed the ground's polarity based on the cloud going over it. Never thought about the clouds being bipolar. There's lightning again. The 2162 spiked up. 1352. The cloud rotates to be either or, positive on top or the bottom, negative on top or the bottom. So for the last few days, see that lightning? The last few days, 2158, 1348. Last few days we've been having lightning storms, and the clouds will come in and it'll thunder like this, and it's all up above. And what you happen there is you got your positive. You see that lightning? You got that positive up in the stratosphere, and you had it open a direct line to the top of the cloud. And the cloud obviously is being the opposite pole, being a negative up. So on that bottom of that cloud is a positive. So that would go ahead and create a disturbance between the bottom of the cloud and the ground, a reaction. And I believe that's what causes the rain to start coming down. Now we're up to 21.69, 70, 13.59. It goes even deeper, and I haven't been popping out any videos so much. I've been doing a lot of research, a lot of reading, and I think that's the due diligence you need if you're into like research like I am. And I want to know why and how, and if you want to get to free energy, if it could be done, it's the knowing how things work. Woo, doggy! 2186, 89, there's a spike there, 1371. That was a nice waka. So you need to know how the process works so you could create it down here. And this is what is driving me to do the different research. Now it's still about the rain because it's reaction. You'll see disturbance, the winds kick up. Obviously, there's some more lightning. Obviously, 2196, 98, 99, 1378. Lightning again. Bam. There's a couple crackles there. 22 it just popped over. I just seen that. 21.96. It went over to 22. I seen it. There it is. There's lightning again. 22. Climbing. So lightning. And the way that the charges are on these clouds right now, these summer clouds, these summer storms, you can see wind appeared out of nowhere. So you got to look at the reactance difference between the charge at the bottom of the cloud and the ground itself. So this ground is right now negatively charged. Or if the ground is positively charged, it would create a disturbance. These are things that I have to do research on, because something creates the disturbance for the rain to happen. So I would say it's friction based. Let's see where we're at right now. We're at 22.41 climbing. The electrical storm of St. Vinny's Castle, up to 14. Woo, doggy! All out to my brother Ed Lee Scallon. Yes. And welcome in Shroomy. To do some tests with my Shroomy and my capacitor bank. Oh, this is going to be fun. Alright, you guys. I gotta say, I took enough of your time, but leave your comments. It's all about, I won't be popping any videos out in a little while. Woo! Woo! Booty! Boo! 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 22.66. 14.18. I don't know if I should leave on that note. That was an opener. I call that a can opener. So, I would say that the capacitance in the whole cloud, when the top of the cloud is a negative charge and it's reacting to the, look at the wind kick in. All that disturbance is bringing wind, air, causing wind. There's an energy in there that's being released through that breakout we just seen. I'm so excited about some stuff. I want to see if we see another snap, crackle, pop, and then I'll jump off like that. Look at that one. Holy manoli. Holy. Leave your comments. Guys, leave great comments, man. You inspire me. It's all about learning. It's not what you know. It's about the questions you ask. You only can know if you ask the questions. So the more questions you ask, the more you'll know. Alright guys, I'll let you go. Let's see what these things are up to. Here comes the other lightning just happened. Gonna bring it to 23 volts. 23 volts. 1438. Peace out. This experiment goes to my boy Heaviside. Peace out.